particle moves along a straight line so that after t seconds its displacement s in meters satisfies the equation s squared plus s minus 2t is equal to 0. Find, in terms of s, expressions for its velocity and its acceleration. We know that velocity is the rate of change of displacement and the rate of change its derivative, so v is ds dt. And ds dt, to arise, we need differentiate a given expression, and since it's not given directly, s is equal to some function, we apply the implicit differentiation. It means we just differentiate the left hand side, the right hand side with respect to t. And s it's some unknown function of t, and for example, if it is given y to the power of n and we need derivative with respect to y, it's just n y to the power of n minus 1. But if it's derivative with respect to x, for example, according to the chain rule, it will be n y to the power of n minus 1 again, but multiplied by dy dx. So s squared derivative with respect to t, it's equal to 2s ds dt plus derivative of s with respect to t, just ds dt, minus 2t derivative with respect to t, just negative 2, is equal to 0. And ds dt is v, so it becomes 2sv plus v minus 2 is equal to 0. And just solve for v, so it's v 2s plus 1 is 2, v is 2 over 2s plus 1, and we can see the answer is in terms of s as required, in terms of s only. And we know that acceleration, it's the rate of change of velocity, so it's dv dt, or the second derivative of displacement, and dv dt to arise, we differentiate again this, or it may be this equation, it doesn't matter. So let's consider this one, and we can see a product of two functions, hence we should apply a product rule, so it's 2 derivative of the first ds dt multiplied by just the second function plus 2 just the first function and multiplied by the derivative of the second dv dt plus dv dt, derivative of v, and minus derivative of a constant is 0, so minus 0 is equal to 0. And ds dt is v, so we can write that it's 2v squared plus 2s dv dt is a plus dv dt is a, so it's 0. And solve for a, so it becomes 2v squared plus a to s plus 1 is 0, hence a is negative 2v squared over 2s plus 1. And since we need the answer to be only in terms of s, we can substitute this for v and get that it's negative 2 over 2s plus 1 squared to s plus 1, and finally it's negative 8 over 2s plus 1 cubed, and we can see that the answer is in terms of s only as required. And that's all for this question.